Yeah, Pratim. I wish you are doing great and hope this training session, not training, this little bit of explanation will help you in some way to understand the most powerful tool, Semrush, that how it helps for a website, for their analysis and all these other stuffs. Okay, so to see that, let's go to the screen of my Semrush. Okay, so now I'm going to the screen. Yeah, see, this is the Semrush website. You have to do a login for this website. Once your login is done, here you can overview any domain. You can put any keywords. Also, if you go to here, there is a keyword overview, so you can do a keyword overview. So now that is the question comes, when you should do a keyword overview and when you should do domain overview. Basically, when you know a domain, you want to know the competitors, and you want to know more websites of the same kind of nature or same kind of services. Then you do a domain analysis. Okay, and also when you do SEO service and all these things for a client, you want to know what is happening around your client's domain. Then you do a domain analysis. Okay, otherwise you can go directly with the brand name. Okay, for example, I go hotels. mm, Hotels in Kolkata. Now it is not domain overview, it is domain overview. I put it here. It is by mistake. I should put a domain here. Instead of doing that, I'm doing here. I'm going to this keyword overview. This is the same. In place of domain, you put a domain. In place of keyword, you put a keyword only. Okay. So hotels in Kolkata. I did a search here. I need to change one more thing. I am searching something in Kolkata, but my search engine database is UAE. So I have to make it to India. Then I'll get more data because this is Google server. And the data in UAE will be having more server for UAE things. And same thing, I don't need to explain that India things will have more data for India. So when I search hotels in Calcutta, I see there are two kind of things. Forget about all these things. These are all required for SEO things like the CPC cost, what is the trend throughout the year for this keyword, and how many other keyword suggestions related to this keyword. Okay, but for you, what is important is this fridge match is this and this. Now you want to see the domains. You see all the domains here. They are organic. They are coming in Google results. Organic. Then you see something that is the right hand side is ad copies. It is the competitors and the companies who are doing Google ads for these keywords. So in case you are doing Google ads for any client, you want to know what are the other competitors doing, what are their ad copies, what are their descriptions, what are their URLs, and all these things. You can find the intelligence from here, and you can export it also. Okay, so when you export, you can find a list of companies they are doing Google AdWords. And when you export this side, you find list of companies they are doing SEO or organic, or they are not doing AdWords. Okay, so now we come to here. You see this has 100 number of results. Okay, when you have a higher package subscribe from Semrush, it can give you at a time 10,000 kind of websites. So in this way, when you go, you can export this report Excel. When you export this report in Excel, you get an you have to go through the Excel. Then just one second, let me see the resumes here. Now, when you go to this, you can see there is a column called domains. So here you can find all the domains doing SEO for this. So what you can do, leave the first 30 or 20 domains depending upon the keywords, popularity, because these are all big companies. Leave them. Then you go to below that, you get all the people these are, like not so popular in that search. You can contact them because they are not popular. You can contact them for SEO, you can contact them for content marketing, you can contact them for social marketing also. In between that, you might find some big brands also, like here you see NDTV, HDFC, because they have some words in the website maybe related to hotels or Calcutta, like that. They come in ranking. So you can leave them, you can have a little bit of workout on this Excel, so that you can, segregate what is you need, what are you don't need. So like this, you can download, every time you can go to your Semrush account. So every time you go there, you can find some, every time you go there, you find domains like this. So what you need to do, just change the keywords. Now, hotels, travels, real estate, data analysis, hospitals, anything, and you can change the keywords. You will get different data. You change the this data center, India, USA, Canada. You get a lot of different data. You can change, various kind of. You can click, good hotels in Calcutta, hotels in Pune, or travel companies in Bangalore, data analysis in Malaysia. You can try anything. You can export like this. Okay. So when you do keyword analysis export, you get results like, 100 slabs. At least it gives you 100 slab. Earlier it was giving you a lot of results. Now you can give 100 slabs. So if you want to download more sites at a time, what you need to do, just take one domain, like big domain. You take www. Go to domain overview, not to keyword overview, or you can change here only in the search box, domain overview. Okay, there you put any big company's domain name. Okay, like you just go for like eBay, Amazon, or something like that. In a hospital industry, like, Practo, we can go for, let's say, just one second. So what you can do, it is actually going for a search, that's why it is slow. So you can do one thing here, put practo.com. Okay, this is a startup in India, basically for hospital sector or medical sector. So when I put practo.com or .in, whatever the domains, it changes. Okay, and I choose India. Then what happened? It shows me like, lot of things here, datas, and you see their main competitor is 9. Okay, so I can say it is not practo.com. I can try practo.in. So you have to choose the right domain. And the more competitive niche you go, like, in India, there is few are like competing in this niche. But if you go US, you'll find more websites and all these things for this niche. And again, you have to go to their organic, competitors. This, view the full report, and then you export that report, or find the main paid competitors also, means those who are doing paid adverts for this. Then you can export those reports. You have to see the reports, export those reports. From those reports, get the domains. Now you have domains like with you, like 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 domains with you. So you have that email extractor tool. Use that email extractor tool, then put all these domains there. It will find the email IDs inside that domain. Again, you have to put someone, or you have to do it manually to check. Maybe the extractor will find so many unnecessary email IDs. You have to clean them and check only those where you need. Okay, do not rely on them 100%. So for example, they can take and give you a relaxation of like 30 to 40% out of doing some basic jobs. Like, you will not do the email ID collections and all, but you have to do the filtering. Okay, sometimes what happens, they collect like domains and they have a strategy: info, support, admin, management, like this, at the rate of domain. Okay, so it finds everything. So what you need to do, after getting a lot of email IDs, you can delete those garbage email IDs you feel. And sometimes for some domains, you can go for a direct check in that domain and you'll find it. That's all about. I think I can show you a little better here. If I go for ebay.com, I don't know why it is getting slow, but should not be slow. Maybe some big sites having big data. So whatever. So now when I search for eBay and I search United States, because I choose ebay.com, now you see it has a lot of competitors, this much of competitors. You want all these domains. It will not give you all these domains because your package is very just basic package in Semrush. But what you can do, you can change these competitors, like today eBay, tomorrow ETSY, the next day target.com. From every time you change a domain, you get some more data and more domains. So you have to go to the view full report. When you see the full report of these competitors, you download these competitors in export. Okay. When you export, the same kind of the earlier Excel I showed you, you get a list of domains and all. So you have to just keep the domains and sack everything. Then in the domain, the filtrations that I have already talked. I hope you are clear about all these things. Any doubt, you give me a call or anything. Thank you.